係各位傳媒，我係新界北高級警司刑事鍾麗儀。而喺今次引致重大嘅傷亡嘅事故入邊呢，呢5級嘅火災，新界北總區重案組亦都即時係展開咗調查。而根據消防處喺進行滅火同埋搜救嘅過程之中呢，係發現建築物喺嘅外牆係有一啲安裝咗嘅保護網啦、保護膜啦、防水帆布、塑膠布，係懷疑咧係未符合呢個防火嘅標準嘅。咁而我哋警方喺現場進行調查，發現一棟係未波及嘅大廈喺裡面每一層嘅電低大堂嘅窗出邊呢，係發現有啲發泡膠嘅包封嘅。我諗大家都知道發泡膠係一啲非常易燃嘅物品，係有機會加速呢個火勢嘅蔓延嘅。而我哋亦都唔排除呢啲發泡膠係導致今次火警迅速蔓延嘅原因。而經警方嘅初步調查，我哋喺窗內發現呢啲發泡膠係由一間建築工程公司喺呢個大廈係進行呢個維修工程嘅安裝嘅。而我哋警方有理由相信有關工程公司嘅負責人嚴重疏忽，引致到今次嘅意外，亦都引致呢個火勢呢係迅速蔓延，一發不可收拾，導致一個重大嘅傷亡。而警方係鎖定咗工程公司呢3名嘅負責人，佢哋分別係呢個工程公司嘅2名董事、1名工程嘅顧問。而喺較早前大概凌晨2點，我哋分別喺大埔、牛頭角、新蒲崗拘捕咗3名本地嘅男子，涉嫌誤殺，而年齡係介乎52至到68歲嘅，而佢哋係仍然係被警方扣留進行調查。而警方喺處理遇難者遺體嘅工作呢，係仍然咁積極進行之中嘅。我哋會聯同法醫科盡快去處理同埋安排親屬進行遺體嘅辨認程序。好，咁當完成拯救嘅行動呢，我哋警方亦都聯同消防處、政府化驗所、法醫科相關嘅部門呢，係盡快進行呢個搜證同埋調查。而警方重申，我哋係極度重視今次嘅火災，我哋會動員最大嘅資源協助拯救同埋進行全方位嘅調查，盡快揾出起火嘅原因。而喺呢度，我想作出一個警方嘅呼籲，如果有任何人係向我哋警方提供有關今次火警嘅消息，可以聯絡我哋新界北總區重案組24小時嘅熱線電話，電話係55660087 55660087，唔該。
大家好啊！為配合救援工作嘅持續進行呢，警方較早前喺區內進行嘅交通管制同埋封路措施呢，依然持續嘅。咁而家現時呢，仍然封閉嘅路段呢，包括吐露港公路通往大埔公路元洲仔段嘅支路啦，大埔公路元洲仔段通往廣福迴旋處嘅方向嘅行車線全線，介乎南運路同埋吐露港公路嘅一段大埔公路元洲仔段嘅來回方向嘅全線，以及寶湖路同埋廣宏街來回方向嘅全線嘅。咁因應救援工作嘅進度呢，警方係會適時咁樣調整呢交通管制嘅措施呢，同埋封路嘅範圍嘅。與此同時呢，警方亦都將會喺早上繁忙時段呢，喺大埔區內呢多調配人手，喺主要嘅幹道同埋路口嗰度呢，就進行交通管理，有需要嘅時候呢，採取措施，確保交通暢順同埋進行疏導嘅。但係呢，預計中區內路面交通嘅情況呢，依然會繁忙，並且有幾十條呢巴士線呢係因為封路措施呢而受影響嘅。警方因此呢喺度呼籲市民喺出行之前呢，務必上巴士公司嘅網站呢，掌握最即時嘅資訊。亦都特別想提醒廣福村一帶嘅居民呢， 喺出行嘅時候咧，盡量考慮使用鐵路嘅。另外就係警方呼籲駕駛者咧係留意路面嘅交通情況啦，保持忍讓，同埋咧聽從現場警務人員嘅指示。最後，警方亦都提醒市民顧及自身嘅安全，如非必要的話咧，切勿前往火警現場附近嘅範圍，以免影響救援工作嘅順利進行。我嘅簡報完畢。
而家係傳媒答問嘅環節啦，請想發問傳媒先舉手講出你代表機構，最多發問2條問題。
Hi, Wendy from RTHK. For Mr. Chan, can you tell us why? Can you explain the main reasons why it's taking longer than expected to put out the fire? What operational or environmental challenges that you're encountering, and how much more time can we expect that the fire can be put out? And for the survivors, can you tell us what kind of injuries they sustained and the current condition? And for Ms. Chung, you suggest that combustible materials, maybe styrofoam, have been identified as one of the main reasons why the fire is spreading so fast. Now, what evidence have you collected to support that suggestion?
Thank you for the question. First of all, in the hours of darkness, it will pose additional danger and difficulties to our operation. And up to this moment, the temperature inside the fire scene is still very high. So we have difficulties in proceeding to upper floors of 2 of the buildings. And for the conditions of the casualties, they sustain various degrees of injuries. And for the details, my ambulance colleagues will give you the details.
For the casualties in the incident, they are mainly suffering from a certain degree of burn and also the inhalation injury. They are the main chief complaint of the injuries in this incident.
Thank you for the questions. Police conduct investigations since we found that one of the buildings not affected by the fire. We found the styrofoam installed outside the window, on each floor near the lift lobby. And everyone knows this material is inflammable material, right? And could potentially escalate the spread of fire. And it's suspected it may be one of the cause to cause the fire and the spread of fire so quickly. Yeah.
And sorry, I missed one of your questions. And for the fire, we expected our operation will last at least to the evening.